Look at the eye though.
We back anyway. That happened.
What's going on, everybody? Well, as you can see, look at our surroundings. We're gonna be doing a little bit of creek fishing. Hopefully we can get some crappies so we don't have to travel all the time, go to Taylorsville all the time, work our waters out, and try to see what we can get. White bass, hybrids, crappies, walleyes, saweyes, sauger. Hopefully something bites. Hopefully. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. I got a 1/16 ounce on a Slabalicious Monkey Shine and 8-pound fluorocarbon and 10-pound Power Pro. Panfish Elite, baby, medium heavy. Yep. And the Daiwa Exceller 2500. Let's get it. Should have brought my light rod, but it's okay. I brought the medium light because there's a lot more bigger fish in here. Plus I got heavier line. Oh, right there. It's a crappie. It's a crappie. It's a good one too. Oh my God. There we go. Of course. Why wouldn't they be here? You know what I mean? Beautiful. Heck yeah. Ask, you shall receive. Not bad. I know them logs gotta have crappies in it, so I'm gonna have to try them log out. See if there's another one in here real quick. Oh, yep, there goes another one. Oh yeah, another one. Yep. You got to know they're in here. You got to know. There's a little guy, but there's another one though. Now we know where they're at. Let's see if we can pick them off. That was 2. See if we can get 3. Did I get hit? Oh my. Oh, they're right there. Yep. There we go. There's a little guy. There's a guy. Ew. So I got this foam padding around all 3 of the mics. I got a GoPro Hero 8, and there's 3 mics, unless I don't know about the 4th one, but I don't think there is a 4th one. No, I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyways, oh, right there we go. Oh, this one feels more like decent. Yep, this one feels way better. Actually, it is not. It's smaller than the first one. Gave him a new hole in his nose. Pretty though, see? Looking thick, somewhat. Oh yeah, we found a hole. We found a crappie hole. Win. Oh, he got it on the fall. Oh my God, dude. That's two. Oh, I got it. Here you go. Must have came back. There's a little spot. Yeah. Spot him, got him. Whatever you do, don't swallow it. Whatever you do. All right. There we go. Little guy. But it's a guy. That was cool. I missed one. The other one picked it up. No, it picked it up on the fall. Small and aggressive. These guys are hitting it good, man. It's just they're not getting it in there. They're not fully committing. You guys need to inhale that. Oh, got him. Good one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got, oh, no. Come back. Yay. I knew somebody wanted to play with me. A smallie. Smallie. Knew somebody wanted to play with me. Look at that guy. Small jaw. Pretty color. Huh?
Is it really?
Maybe. No.
That's a spot.
That's a spot? Damn, they look like a small. No, they don't. Oh, yeah. Okay, whatever. My bad. I don't know my fish. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go. Yep. Yeah. Right there. Oh. Right there. Yep, right there. He's right. Ross was right. Right there. Oh, no. Don't get me wrapped up in there. Okay. Oh, my. Yeah, this is a stout one. Little stout fellas.
Boy, they're chopped.
Yes, they are.
Do something like that, that's what's gonna happen.
We're both working it sideways. Oh, Jesus, right there at that drop off. At that drop off. So what? We're gonna just do that. We're gonna leave that there for a minute. Let it marinate. Let it marinate.
While we wait.
Please don't break. I mean, please don't break. Please don't break. We're gonna have a seat. If you guys are wondering why we're standing sideways, because there's a tree to our left and the wind is blowing us and we're trying to keep it. Oh, geez. We're trying to keep it, oh, there you go. He came back. Oh, good spot. Good spot. He came right back. Whew. Look at that. Beefy little guys, man. I promise. This guy is so beefy. Has been working out, huh? It's stout, man. Oh my God. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, good one too. Good one too. Ooh.
Come on. Thought I was sitting on top of the tail.
Get over here.
Watch out. They're a little football, dude.
Yeah, they are. Oh no, don't. Okay. Don't try to swallow that. This might be the last one, you guys. This might be the last one. Well, guys, we're back. We're alive. We're still kicking, yeah, pretty much. And I call it today a successful day. If you guys like creek fishing, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell too, please. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me for as long as you have. If it wasn't for you guys, like truly wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have as much motivation to keep coming out here every day in the rain, sleet, cold, snow. We do it all. You guys know that. It's a multi-species channel, so if you didn't know, now you know. And now I have to go because climbing up that big ass hill, that was not the business. I'll see you guys next week.